what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a good week so far. I am, for the most part. I had a stomach bug on Monday, which totally sucked. It knocked me out, so that pissed me off, but I'm feeling a lot better, so I'm going to cross my fingers that I am on the mend and I'm done with that. Looking at my camera, I can see that my Irish cross painting is totally not in the frame right. It fell the other day and I forgot to fix it. Anyway, so for today's video, I'm going to be talking about my January Boxycharm. I don't know how many of you guys get Boxycharm. I've been getting it for about a year now, and for the most part, I enjoy it. There's been one or two things that I'm kind of like, but I mean, that is what it is with the subscription box. I mean, that's what you're signing up for. The fun of it is, you know, being surprised at what comes in the box. I haven't looked at anyone's videos. I know a lot of people already did their unboxings because I don't like to know what I'm getting beforehand. I mean, every once in a while I'll kind of see something, but I'll be like, okay, but not everyone always gets the same thing. So yeah, this month I did get an email from Boxycharm. I don't know if you guys got that email, that they had sent me the wrong shade concealer and they're going to do something. I don't know if they're sending me another one or they're going to put something extra in the box next month. I don't know. I was just like, whatever. So one of the things obviously is something that I probably can't use, but I just opened the box. I haven't really looked through this items yet. So here is the January Boxycharm. And the first thing we'll talk about is the concealer that is from Pretty Vulgar. That is definitely too dark for me. I've never used, yeah, look at that. I've never used any concealer from Pretty Vulgar before, so that'll be interesting to see how it works. I'm wondering if I can use this as maybe a contour, like a cream contour, and maybe get it to work. I don't really use cream contour. I also can't speak today. I don't really use cream contour too much. So we'll see. I'll play around with it. But I know that if I can't use this, I'll find somebody who can use this shade and it will not go to waste. The next thing I got was this 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask from Avant. I love sleeping masks. Like, I love, obviously, like, put lotion on my face and everything. I love ones that I can put on before I go to bed and just, like, leave it and it's nice. And I don't always find that I think that they do too much, but they do make my skin feel softer. So I guess they do something, but I mean, I don't know if I find that they help with my aging or anything, so we'll see how that works. The next thing I got was this Beauty Simplified Lip Whip in the color Faith from Mannakadar. I don't know how to say this, so I'm really sorry if I mispronounced it, but this color looks really, really pretty. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. This is definitely a color I can wear, and it seems really nice. So it's a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. So that'll be interesting to try. I'm definitely looking forward to trying that. The next thing I got was the Ace Beauty, or Ace Beauty, I'm not sure how to say it, eyeshadow palette. It's the Scarlet Dusk palette. Looks like that. It looks like this. That's very pretty. I definitely think I can get some use out of this. I have the Grandiose palette from Ace Beauty that I actually really like it. It works nice, so I'm looking forward to trying this. I'll probably do a video at some point this week with these, playing around with these shadows. They look absolutely gorgeous. And then the final thing I got was the Wander Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, which looks like this, and of course it's taped. This is pretty. It looks like this. Oh, this is nice. And it looks like this. Oh, this will be nice. These are definitely colors that I can use. This bronzer doesn't really look too much like a bronzer. It looks more like a highlight. I'm actually going to swatch this right now because I'm curious. Oh, I don't know. And I'll swatch the blush next to it. Maybe it's... I'll play around with it and see what it looks like on. Of course, I had my makeup done today because I went to work and everything. So I will let you guys know. I'll probably do, like I said before, I'll probably do a video where I use the makeup from this to do a look, because that'll be fun. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm. This was kind of like a weird, fast video. I just wanted to pop on and, you know, share what I got in my Boxycharm with you guys. Love to know what you guys got, if you've used any of the products yet, what you think of them. I'm really excited. Like I said earlier, I'll probably do a video later this week, if not early next week, with the blush, the lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, and see how it all works, because obviously right now I have my makeup done already because I went to work before. So, but I think that's it for this video. This is a really quick, short video. It's kind of weird. I'm to be honest, I'm having like an off day. I think just because I was sick on Monday, and I know this is going up on Wednesday, but it's actually Tuesday night. So, and I feel like I'm not focused, so I'm sorry about that. But I wanted to come on and shoot a video, so. I'm trying to get like a better schedule going, because I know sometimes I haven't been very consistent. So I'm trying to see what works with my work schedule and everything. So as always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face below, as well as my Instagram and Twitter handles in case you want to follow me there. I sometimes post pictures of looks that I do, excuse me, not sometimes. I post pictures on there of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, because I think they are adorable, although I am biased, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic night, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!